Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be making a raw pizza crust. We're going to start with a quarter cup of flax seeds, which I'll just put in my blender and grind them into powder. Then I'll put 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah, there I'm just showing you 3 cloves of garlic. Just open them up and chop them a bit, and that's it. There you are. That's an easy method of removing the skin from the garlic. Thought I would show you that. Learned that and it revolutionized everything of mine. Garlic is a breeze. So now I'll take a medium-sized cauliflower. The leaves there, I'm just keeping them aside for when I make green juice. Those leaves are nice for making green juice. So all I'll do is just add previously washed it, obviously. So now I'm just going to chop them up and put them in the food processor with the S blade, by the way. It's just normal S blade, as you can see there. Chopping them up. Then I'll put oregano, just a handful, as you can see there. Easy. Just chop them, rough chop them, I guess. Yeah, that's it. I'll just cover it and then food process it. There you go. Oh yeah, and then I'll put a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then I blended it. Looks almost rice consistency. There, I'm trying to show you how it looks. Then I'll put the grinded flaxseed, the quarter cup of flaxseeds, ground up flaxseeds. Then I'll put one lime, the juice of 1 lime. Just squeeze it in there. Yes, then I'll put I think I'll put 2 tablespoons of that is psyllium husk. I think there is a teaspoon, but I think I added, so it's 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Psyllium husk helps to bind everything all together the flaxseed, but gives it a more moist feel to the dough. Not moist in a bad way, but yeah. So just put everything together, mix it up. Before you know, it's going to be all sticky. As you can see there, I'll just put them in the Teflex sheet. I'm trying to remove try and get all the goodness out of the food processor. So I'll dehydrate this for 6 hours. I'm doing it right now, it's at night. As you can see, I think I have my gown on, and I'll flip it after, let's say, 3 hours, which I never did, so I flipped it in the morning. And yeah, so when you dehydrate this, like let's say by 11 you're putting it in the dehydrator, that's nice. As you can see, I'm just smoothing it all out and trying to shape it like a pizza. There's no magic to it, just use the back of a spoon. I mean, I don't have those fancy equipment. Use what you got, people. That's it. Just put in the dehydrator, or you can put it in your oven, but at the lowest temperature. That's it. I like the way it looked when I was making it. I was like, I'm so proud. Yes, thanks for watching. I'll just show you a picture afterwards of how it looked, and yeah, that's it. There you go. There it is. Bye.